Right.
All right, let's talk about the Fed because the president sure is. In fact, taking another shot at the Fed this morning on Fox and Friends. Roll tape.
The Federal Reserve is getting a little bit too cute, that's all. That's ridiculous what they're doing. And I'd like our Fed not to be so aggressive because I think they're making a big mistake.
Now, Greg, I understand Wall Street gets nervous when the president starts to talk about the Fed and tries to perhaps influence the Fed. But he's also concerned that, his speech last night, he made a very interesting comment in one of his rallies last night where he said the economy is doing well, but it's fragile. I mean, we shouldn't be so confident that the Fed can overplay its hand here, should we?
I suppose not, but, well, we got a great inflation number this morning. I've been arguing, you and I have talked about this, I think the biggest threat to the economy is that it overheats. We can't keep growing at 4.2% on a protracted period because you will get wage pressure, you will get inflationary pressure. So I think Powell is going to let the air out of the tire very, very gradually. I think that this is a lot about nothing. I think yields will come back down because it's quite clear inflation still has not taken off.